Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how points are earned in our loyalty system and how they can be redeemed. Let's start by opening the Slimrate POS app on your tablet. Before processing the payment, add an existing customer or create a new one if they aren't already in the system. For more details on how to do this, check out our video Slimrate Basics 19. Add the desired items to the order and complete the sale as usual. Remember, in our store, customers automatically earn $1 in loyalty points for every $100 spent. Now, let's say the customer wants to pay for their new order using their accumulated points. Add this customer and the items to the receipt, then tap Pay. To use points for payment, select Customer Loyalty Points. A new window will open showing information about the customer and how many points they have. Use the keypad on the right to enter the number of points you want to redeem, then tap the green Add Discount button at the bottom of the screen. The remaining amount can be paid as usual, either with cash or by card. That's it. Thank you for watching.